This video is sponsored by Aura. I got my first Lego train when I was a kid and I'll never forget it. I played with it so much, I absolutely loved it. I'm pretty sure this is the set I had as a kid. It's set 4565. It was originally produced in 1996. And now as an adult, I still play with Lego trains because I think they're awesome. I found this on AliExpress. It's only $20 and it will add lights to the front of the Lego train, the cab here, and then in the dining cars. I couldn't really find any good videos about it on the internet, so I decided that I would be the one to make a video on how to install this specific kit from AliExpress. Okay, so here's the kit. You have the QR code with the instructions, the battery pack for the train. This takes 3 AAA batteries. You have the 2 dining car light kits. You have the light kit for the headlights of the train and the cab of the train. And then you have these 2 connectors. You have another battery pack that also takes 3 AAAs. And then you have the lighting kit for the crossing signal. Just a side note, the kit does not include the AAA batteries, so make sure you have some rechargeables ready to go or that you buy some additional batteries. Okay, so we're gonna start with the lights that go in the front of the train and inside the front cab. So first you'll pop that off. Go ahead and pull this apart, take out the original pieces. Just place these guys in here. And then you put it back where it goes and you kind of wire it along the side here. Next, you're gonna take off the top and you will install that. This is the cab light. Now this is gonna get plugged in later, so we're gonna kind of lead it that way and then pull this section off. It's gonna smush the wire against the wall here a little bit, but you kind of just have to go with it. All right, now you run it along the bottom. Eventually it's gonna connect in the very back here. So you're just gonna let that hang out. In the meantime, you will install the battery pack back here too. I'm gonna go ahead and throw some batteries in here. I have no idea where I got these Bursto batteries. They're just in my drawer. Put the power switch facing up, slide that in there. See, battery pack goes there. You want to carefully make sure that these wires are running under the train power station. So I'll go ahead and pop that off so I can see what I'm doing. Point is just to get it back together while keeping these wires running alongside the battery pack. Okay, I have both power lines hanging out back here in the back. Now it's time for this little guy. So you'll plug in the power, you'll plug in the front guy here. Now there's a third spot and that's gonna be to connect the rest of it. So now I'm gonna leave this like that. I'm gonna replace the front, put that back on. We're gonna leave that and then we're gonna come to the train cars. These are a heck of a lot easier. Pop the top off. You will stagger them like so. And then the wire just comes out the top here. You just smush it. It won't hurt it. It's very thin. There we go. One train car done. Let's now connect these guys. We'll just push that there. Stuff these connectors back in there. Okay. Get it all nice and tidy. There we go. You just have a tiny wire right here. Okay, now for the back side. Same thing, pop off the top. All right, so I finished installing the train lights. I think it came out pretty well. I'll put it on the track and let you see some demo shots of it. My only complaint about this kit would be that you have to open the train to get to the battery switch. So if I were to make one modification to this, I would make the switch accessible from the outside of the train so you don't have to take it apart to turn it on and off. But other than that, I think it looks really cool. So let's put it on my track and get some cool shots. Before we jump into the demo shots, I do want to share a little bit more information with you about Aura, this video sponsor. Aura is a tool that helps you protect your online identity. They have a variety of tools that help scan for your information out on the internet, including passwords you've used, addresses, phone numbers. So it can really help give you peace of mind when it comes to cybersecurity, hackers, or even just getting spam mail and knowing that you're on all these mailing lists. I started using it myself. The sign up was super easy. It took just a couple of minutes and it was already pulling back like, hey, these are the passwords that are already leaked out there on the internet. Here's a website that's selling you information, and you can use tools in Aura to help you automatically opt out of these data broker websites, which is super useful, and I was all over it. If you haven't already, I suggest you check them out. They have a 14-day free trial, which you can access through my affiliate link, aura.com/Lucastine. Checking them out helps not only protect your security, your family's privacy online, but also help support this YouTube channel, which I super greatly appreciate. All right, you can see I got the shelving all the way around, and I've got my Lego train. You may be thinking that train's a bit longer than what I did in the tutorial video, and you would be correct. I bought 2 of these trains, and I bought 2 light kits. Mega Big Dog train, the light kit, and then I've got the other train over here, and then I can optionally put a camera on that train if I want to get some point of view footage, which I'll show you in this video. I forgot to tell you that I also put together the crossing light and the station light. I don't have space up on my shelving system to put it up there, but here it is. It's super easy to put together. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video and it helps you with your own train electrification lighting projects. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Appreciate that. Peace.